Relative humidity 15%. Brooks 21. Wind northwest 12 kilometers per hour. Relative humidity 14%. Lethbridge mostly
Any
cloudy
second now.
20. Wind north-northeast 11 kilometers per hour. Relative humidity 12%. Red Deer sunny 18. Wind east-northeast 13. Gusting to 37 kilometers per hour. Relative humidity 22%. Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for
pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for southern Alberta at 3:32 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Saturday, April 17th, 2021. A snowfall warning is issued for Kananaskis, Canmore, and Airdrie, Cochrane,